Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you are building a website and need visitors to contact you, for example, adding a contact form in Webflow is super easy. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to create a contact form in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com. Tap on this link, it will take you directly to the website, where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. As for now, open your page in Webflow Designer by going to the page where you want to add the contact form. So for example, we're gonna go into pages, tap on contact. For example, since I already have this part, you should go all the way and add a form block. From the add panel, drag a form block onto the page. So for example, we're gonna tap on add, then go to this section and add it here, container, whatever you want. Go to heading, paragraph, text link, it depends on you. Then customize the form fields. Edit the default fields like name, email, and message by tapping on this icon. Then tap a text field. Credentials input wrap, contact field wrap, then this place here, tap on it or double click it, and then your options such as name will appear here. The plain tab, enter your name, so basically replace it with something else. After fully done, just hit enter or go out. You can do this for email address, messages, or even more. You can then add or remove any fields by dragging additional input fields if needed, such as phone number or drop downs. Then edit the submit button. Change the button text to something like send message or submit. Style the form, adjust spacing, colors, fonts, and even layout. Basically by tapping here, going onto the style settings, look for any colors, white, look for this color is black here, image and gradient backgrounds. You can basically change whatever you want, and that's the main idea. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.